Welcome to Manim Sketch Lab, the place where math turns into stunning animations, where ideas come alive. Let's visualize concepts, explore ideas, and learn in the most creative way possible. Today we are going to learn what a vector is, the building block of machine learning, physics, and so much more. A vector is basically a combination of two things, direction and magnitude. It tells you where something is going and how far. Imagine you walk 5 meters towards the east. That's a vector. It shows the direction and distance you walk. Or think of a video game character moving 10 units up. The movement, distance, and direction again form a vector. A car moving 40 km per hour to the north. Yeah, that's a vector too. Any motion with direction and magnitude can be represented by a vector. Vectors can also be represented mathematically. For example, 3, 4 means moving 3 units right and 4 units up. Vectors are everywhere in machine learning. Images are vectors of pixels, text is converted to word vectors, and even model weights are vectors. And that's it. Now you know what a vector is. In the next video, we will learn about vector addition and scaling. So, see you there.